Hello guys, welcome to Weekend Tips, and today I'll be showing you a new crypto faucet like Coinpot, but this one is a little bit different from Coinpot because Coinpot has different faucet under them that they make money with and share the profit they make with you. But this one, I think you can only make money from daily earnings, like daily when you daily visit, and it's just they have timer too, like Coinpot, where you can use the faucet collector for faucet auto claim bot to claim. So I'm still trying to connect this faucet with faucet collector. If it works, I'll update you guys and show you guys how to set it up and how to go about it. So I think it's only 40 minutes, so you can make money from daily claim. Like if you every time you visit, you can make money from the faucet claim. That's two methods. Third one is PTC ad. They will show you ads, you just watch for like some are like 10 seconds, some are like, you see, 40 seconds. You don't even need to work, you can just put it there and go do something else. But 40 seconds, how many seconds is that? You can just check and they will pay you, they will reward you with 25 coins. So I've been in this thing for like 10 days and I've made enough. Like, I think this is the minimum withdrawal. But what I need to tell you guys is the withdrawal always change based on the rate of the crypto. So if you want to withdraw in Dogecoin, if Doge has reduced, the withdrawal limit will reduce too. But if Doge increases, the withdrawal limit will increase. So I forgot to tell you, if you click the link in the description, you'll be redirected to a place like this where you can just put your email and password. Then you'll be able to enter somewhere like this and like your dashboard. But everything will be 0. Let me see when I joined. But it didn't show me when I joined anyway. So okay, 7 days. See, 7 days. I told you guys it was 10 days, but it was actually 7 days. Oh, and so everything I already showed you about this daily visit faucet claim. So if you want to claim with this PTC, let's just do one and show you how fast it is. Let's go to watch. So you'll be redirected to somewhere like this. Then this one will load. You don't need to solve any recaptchas. Don't waste time on it. So, and to load 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and get reward. After clicking on get reward, you'll be directed to a new place. Let's see, you see I have 1,179.19 coins. See, please consider looking at the website. I don't recommend you guys to do anything on this website that they show you. Just click on it, wait for the timer to load. You can just move around, so they will think you are actually looking at the website. Just move around, check you don't need to join anyway. But if you are interested, like you like the website and what they need to offer, you can just try it and maybe you can actually make money from it. So 14 minutes 14 seconds left. Let's move. So most of the time the PTC ads are always different. Today you can actually get like 10, today you can actually get like 20, today you can actually get like 30. They are always different based on how they are getting ads. And I forgot to tell, let's do this one first. Let's finish. Then after clicking on continue, you are done. You can go back to the site and they will redirect you automatically. So 10 experience point gained, and they will give you experience points. Like here, this one is unlimited. You can earn unlimited coins here, but I don't actually like all these ones. They take most of my time. Like offer was where they will tell you to download an application to make like 1,000 coins, but I don't want to mess up with my phone. So just remove the link. You are done. So you can actually place ads too on this website, and I tested the ads. It actually works fine. I tested it on one of my YouTube videos here. You can check the videos, it will be linked in the description. So I already tested it and it was actually nice. They'll show you that's the many views you need to. So per 1,000 or 2,000 coins, you get 2,000 views, or 1,000 coins, I'm not sure. So you have to deposit. See, I deposited like I think 35 Doge to give me like 3,028 credits. So if you want to deposit too, maybe you want to test their ads too, you can just go to deposit here. So you go to deposit, then click on deposit, then they will show you, they will see this is $3 worth of Dogecoin, because I think I have a lot of Doge. I can just pay out. So I just tested it and it actually makes sense and it works fine. He gave me like 3,300 views out of 2,000, but I think YouTube detected the views was coming from external side, so they had to reduce it. But I think they are still checking on the views, because the views was too much. Like my analytics spiked up. Let me show you. See, this is when I placed the ad from 36. I moved on to 638. The views was too much that YouTube actually had to reduce it a little bit, so they can actually check. This is the video I posted, I used for the ad. This is the video here, 409. So I think it's actually nice. You can actually test it if you have enough Doge or enough like $3 or $2. They don't have limits on the amount you can deposit. So, and what next can I show you again? If you want to withdraw, withdrawal. So you can withdraw in Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, normal Bitcoin. So this one has you can't withdraw directly to your wallet. You have to withdraw to Faucet Pay. I think that's their partner wallet. See, their minimum amount is 1,000. That means I can withdraw in Bitcoin, but I don't want to, because I can't withdraw to my wallet. I can only withdraw to Faucet Pay, and I don't want to do that. So Bitcoin Cash is already out of stock. I can withdraw in Dash, Digibyte, Dogecoin. I can withdraw in Dogecoin too. See, 1,692. If I can just take my time and do like two more and do like they will also show you how many coins you can earn. See, I can earn 188 plus 205. That means I will earn like 1,300, and that. So tomorrow, these short links too, I tried it, but I didn't get it. I just left it, and they pay a good amount of money, but I don't really like it, so I just left it. But this one is just easy. I'll just click on it. I'll just click on the view, and I'll just view the ads and click on cancel it, and so ready to claim. I think I'm ready to claim after. So what I need to do now is just connect this Faucet to my Faucet auto claim. The link will be in the description if you want to get the Faucet auto claim and how to connect it and how to set it up. But I won't show you how to connect it here now, because I haven't gotten it. So I'll try and test it maybe in my next video. So this actually happens anytime, most of the time. So just go back, refresh the page, and go back and do it. Then you are done. So I think that's what I need to show you guys. That's everything about this faucet I just found. If you need anything, just link me up in the comment section, then we can chat about it. I will reply. I always reply to comments, and please subscribe and like. Maybe you can get this faucet to as much people as we can. Thank you guys.